Alright, today, deadlifts. This is our regular deadlift day where we're doing 3 reps for a bunch of sets, however sets you want. You'll see me do conventional about 2 seconds.
My planet, my home. Cost too high, the fumes too strong. Mix this cup for way too long. Add it up, don't subtract.
What's going on, guys? Antoine here, just trying to commentate on another video at a time. Here's some 315s. Okay, here's a prime example. Do not drop the weight like an idiot. That's just bad. See that? I even slowed it up for you guys just to show you. Sam yelled at me, and I just don't understand why I did it, but I did it. So back at it, we are doing deadlifts, sets of 3. Those are green tights. That's not a color correction or anything. That's not my leg color or anything. So if you ever wanted to know what my color of my legs are, that's not my color. So as you see, this is finally a conventional deadlift day. My hips are kind of high, so I don't want to jump up with my hips. Sam, she's sticking with the sumo deadlifts. Mixed grip, as you can see. A lot of people do different styles of deadlifting. So make sure you never worry about what other people are doing. Worry about yourself. Alright. Sorry for the one-offs. So back at it. This is what 365 plus 10, that's 385, 395 right there. So I'm finally almost at where I originally was at. In the upcoming videos, you'll see me doing 405 for reps. That was where I was at when I was doing mixed grip. So this is hook grip, as you see my thumbs under my fingers. So we're almost there, getting back to my original weights, which I'm happy about. Sam's finally overcome her back injury on deadlifting, so she's back at where she wants to be, or going to be. So yeah, this is the end of the deadlifts, last set. Again, we're not doing recording of every set. It's going to be kind of boring, just kind of talking about daily goals, daily stuff, daily reps, the weight, and moving. We might be moving on to a new program soon. New set of weights, new set of goals. Switch it up. I've been doing this for about 7 months now. Improved a hell of a lot, but like the great Boris Shako said, you need to switch it up for variation to make better goals. That's my crappy Russian accent. So, so this is her doing 95, killing it. This is close grip bench. We're doing 4 reps or 5? Can't remember. I think we're doing 5, but she missed. That was the 4th. She missed it. So this is 245. So we'll see how many reps I do. I think it's 4. See the arch, grab the traps, keep the glutes tight. You could do toe or heel. Oh wow, the ass went up. Oh, was it 5?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 5. Sweet. And so for some reason my bench sucks, so we're gonna have to set up something where something's gonna help out my bench, or figure out what's going on. Maybe I need to change up my foot variation, something. I'm only able to bench like 315 at the max. Another thing, this is a new thing we haven't showed some calf raises on the Smith machine, with the little box. There is really no good calf machines at some of the charters. If there's a hack squat machine, we'll probably start doing that eventually, because the Smith machine's getting kind of old, and variation is key. There's also the seated calf raises. I'm not too big of a fan on it because of the pressure on the ankles. Or maybe just my ankles are weak as hell, but I doubt that. And then, yeah, lastly, behind the head presses. Something that I basically cue the traps and lift with the traps and my rear delts. I'm not trying to use my chest. I'm not trying to use my delts. I'm not trying to use so much. And that was, I believe, 100 pounds. See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.